everybody, what is going on? We are doing a small staycation for a few nights here at the Disney's Boardwalk. So this is a studio. I'm gonna just give you guys a quick rundown on what it looks like. It's super cute, it's cozy, it's Disney. We're on Disney grounds, yay. Here is a little kitchenette area that comes with your paper towels, your toaster, your microwave, your coffee maker, and a pretty decent mini fridge. And under here is your trash can and your recyclable trash can. It does come with some soap to wash your dishes, a little sponge, a towel. Up here is where you will find your disposable cups, plates, napkins, bowls. But nobody's cooking up in here unless you're cooking in the microwave. Here is your silverware and your extra roll of paper towels. We got the microwave and the toaster, and then the sink. And then it gives you some pretty decent coffees with some creamer, stuff like that. But right down on the first floor is actually a little cafe where you can get coffee that opens at 6 a.m. but closes at 3. Okay, directly over here behind me is the bathroom with the toilet. Extra towels, couple pictures on the wall, or you have a painting. Here is our shampoo and conditioner. They changed it from the H2O. It is now called the Sea Marine. Basically the same stuff. Smells exactly like H2O. You have the body wash, conditioner, and the soap. This is where you would find some extra towels, a drawer, extra toilet paper, a wastebasket, and a blow dryer. And then we have some Kleenex, makeup mirror. Here is the sink. And then we have some more body products over here. We have the closet with the ironing board, an iron, extra blankets, a pillow. And this is where your safe is located. Then we're walking into the bedroom. And right here is a couple drawers. You have 2 drawers, which I think is they're pretty deep. They're really pretty deep drawers. You get 2 of them. You get 2 ottomans to sit on, so you can put the ottomans around the room, but that's a great storage area for them. And then right here is the television on the wall. And then this thing is a single size bed. Ugh. Here goes the backdrop. Right in front of that is the queen size bed. Some paintings over here, some pictures on the wall. We got 2 nightstands. We got a little nightstand here with some USB ports and regular outlets. And then on this side is where you would find another nightstand. If you open that up, you will find the Holy Bible.
I'll show you some of the ways Hey Disney can help you experience more magic.
So here's the living room. We have this little table right here in the middle, which you can open and use it as a serving tray, a little closer to you while you're sitting on the couch. Or you can use it for storage. Has a little area rug. And then I really, really like this little mint green couch that comes in this room. I find it super adorable. Ugh. So we just pull it all the way down. Of course, I moved the pillows. I just didn't, but I just want to show you guys. Boom. Here is a queen size bed. I just remembered we're not on a cruise, so you have to pull this down yourself. They will not come in here and do it for you. So let's push it back up. It's very easy too. Look at this. Doing it with one hand. Let's go take a quick little walk outside so I can show you guys how huge my balcony is. Like, this balcony is humongous. I have 2 chairs out here, a little ottoman or a little table. It did rain, so that's why everything is wet. But when I say huge, you guys, humongous. Tonight, we will be able to see the fireworks right here. You guys can come out here and do a bike rental. They have the Surrey bikes over there. Right back here is the boardwalk. You keep walking, you walk your little self to Epcot. The cake bake shop is over there. There's the flying fish. They have pizza, corn dogs. So that is my room tour here at the boardwalk. I'm getting ready to go find my family who is on the boardwalk. Hopefully they're getting some food because I am starving, like really hungry. So let's go eat. We like having staycations because it's kind of cool, break up being in the house all the time. But I like being in my house. And we just got back from a cruise and we're out again, but we've already had this booked. So yeah, let's go find Brooke and my hubby and see what they're getting into. Actually, is that him? I can usually oh no, because he has on a red shirt today. I could spot my family. I'd be like, there they go. But all right, so let's go get them. I'm on the boardwalk and it is starting to rain, but the sky looks kind of clear. But they have everything closed right now, like the pools and stuff like that because of the lightning.
And everybody, I'm doing it! I'm the tallest person at the boardwalk.
This is where I'll get pizza when I'm like starving. While it's drizzling out here, I'm gonna go on and grab myself a corn dog. I think Brooklyn and June ordered some kind of mozzarella sticks. I'm gonna grab a corn dog. I'm at the Blue Ribbon Corn Dogs. It has a bunch of gourmet corn dogs. I did have these before. I don't think I recorded it though.
On the menu, they have classic corn dogs, they have pickled dogs, there's kids dogs, there's Mexican street dogs, there's a golden dragon corn dog,
can you hear me?
there's a giant mozzarella stick, there's lemonade, cotton candy. They have meal deals as well. A corn dog and a mozzarella stick came out to $29.71. $30 for a corn dog and a mozzarella stick. On this side of the corn dog cart is where you order. On the other side is where you pick up. All right, so here's our food. Oh wow, want to hold that? Ray, looking at this mozzarella stick, did we bring the Metamucil?
Right.
Instead of coming with chips, this should have came with some fiber. Here is Ray's corn dog. That looks scrumptious. That also came with chips and a peanut butter dipping sauce.
I got a mozzarella stick. That's like 10 mozzarella sticks. Whoa. They should have cooked it a little hotter. My hot dog comes with some plain potato chips. I have a pickled dog with peanut butter dipping sauce. Peanut butter sauce, Brooke. Wow, this one is hot. I love the crunchy outside shell of the corn dog. Like the shell is like extra. I know it's supposed to be breading, but I feel like because it's so crispy, like they might have like rolled it in Planko or something and make it extra crispy because this bad boy is extra crispy. It's not like a regular corn dog where you know how the corn dog is more like cornbread batter that they dip it in. The peanut butter sauce is good, but I feel like it's a homemade peanut butter sauce where they did not add sugar to it. Because you know, like sometimes if you guys get Jiffy, you can taste the sweetness in the peanut butter because they add a little bit of sugar. This tastes like authentic peanut butter where it's just peanuts, a little bit of vegetable oil, they mix it up and boom, you got peanut butter. Don't ask me how I know that. When I was in cooking school, I had to make peanut butter. This is good. The pickle's on the sour side, so it's a little sour, so I'm getting crunchy, sour, savory from the hot dog, and then you got the pickle, and then you got the peanut butter on top. Yeah, I'm getting down to the end of my corn dog. Oh, look, there's more dog down there, but only a little bit of pickle.
So I didn't see anything on the boardwalk that I wanted to eat. Nothing tickled my fancy. So what I did is I DoorDashed. If you didn't know, you can DoorDash to the Boardwalk Villas. I know this because I have done so. And I'm headed to go pick up my food right now. But what I don't know is if they bring it to your room. I doubt it. But what I'll do is go in the front, meet them in the front, and pick up my food from there. I have not received a notification or anything from the DoorDash driver, but it does say that they will be arriving soon. So let's see. According to the app, the DoorDash driver is supposed to be here at 8:51. It is approximately 8:50, so we got a minute. Here is my food. I have some pad thai. Now, this is the bag. I'm gonna bring it in the room. I'll show you what I got. It always smells so good in here. I wasn't paying attention, and halfway down the hallway, I realized I was going the wrong way. So I have since corrected, and now I'm on my way to my room. I got some teas. I didn't order this many teas, but whatever.
And this is a number 3. They put a 3 on it, which means the spice level is a 3.
Right, see, I got Ray's at a 3 level because Ray can't take that much heat. And I got Brooks at a 4 level because Brooks eats like a dragon. So there's our food for the night and our beverages.
Yay.
Noise. Oh, fireworks over there too, right? Look.
Oh, those are Magic Kingdom.
Is that Magic Kingdom? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Ah.
Magic Kingdom has the best fireworks, like hands down, the best.
Even though we're on a somewhat healthy journey, our sweet tooth has got the best of us.
It's every time we stay over here by the boardwalk, because it is the best ice cream on property, in my opinion.
And the prices aren't that bad.
That's why it's the best.
Unless that's changed.
This is where we need to be right here.
Facts, we do.
We on our way to the ice cream shop. We should be going into the gym. Saying,
If you're curious, like I am not, the gym is open 24 hours. A nice little gym in here. It has the equipment that'll get the things done that I need to get done. Okay. Let's see what else. All right, seated leg curls, leg extensions. What else they have in here? They have a chest.
hell no.
There's a chest press machine.
Oh, give me, I'll throw them away.
There's that.
Here.
We have dumbbells over here, up to 50 pounds.
Babe, they got a scale.
And here we have the cardio equipment. Shoulder press. There's an arcade over here. What time's the arcade close? 11 o'clock. So the arcade is about to close. You guys would like to ride the Surrey bikes? You can rent it from right here. Single bench Surrey bike is $30 per half an hour. The double bench Surrey bikes are $35 per half an hour. We rode these before. And
Never again.
it is not as easy as it looks.
Nope.
Especially if you haven't worked out in some time.
Nah.
That Surrey bike will humble you really, really quickly. I thought tonight, or this visit was gonna be the time where we visit the cake bake shop. I don't know. Haven't been in there yet because $27 for a slice of cake. Maybe one day. Tonight's not that day. We're at the BoardWalk
Ride
Ice
the
Cream
tide,
Parlor.
baby.
The ice cream is cheap.
Right, $8.79 for Ride the Tide.
Is that what you're getting?
Probably.
Ride the wave sounds good. 3 scoops, choice of the following toppings: marshmallow, strawberry,
How'd I know?
pineapple, peanut butter, hot fudge, caramel, or chocolate syrup topped with whipped cream, toasted almonds, and the cherry. I think I'm gonna get the big bag brownie. See how much ice cream you get? That's 1 scoop.
Yeah.
How much is a scoop?
$5.79
$5.79 for 1 scoop. That's crazy.
for a sugar
That's
cone.
amazing too. Let me get a close up on that. Wow. Look at that. Ray got mashed potatoes and gravy. At least that's what it looks like.
So I got the same sundae as June, but I told her to only put half of the fudge on there and put the other half peanut butter, so that way I didn't have to pay for like a whole scoop of fudge and a whole scoop of peanut butter. Would have been extra, it'd have been too much, and it'd been $1 extra, but that was kind of too much fudge. So I said just half in it, which is still a great amount. Look at that. And this only cost me $7.79.
Sing it with me. Big back, big back, big back, big back. We have 2 sundaes and an ice cream cone. And they came out to how much, babe?
$22.
Not bad at all. So that's gonna be a wrap for tonight. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can see it, I got a fat man stain. It was hot fudge, just happened to spill on my shirt. Anytime I eat anything, I'm spilling it. I don't understand why, but it happens. I try to be careful too, no matter what. Have a good night, everybody. We'll talk to you guys mañana. Bye.